You got it, Anthony?
Okay, guys, it's we're going to drive my new and approved truck. Yes. Now I can touch my truck as well.
Anthony, wait up for me, okay? Wait up for me.
I don't know what that was. Okay, there's a little trains going by. Oh my. Oh, okay.
Anthony, wait up for me.
That's chaotic, but okay. I'm stuck. I can't move my. Whoa! My God, Daniel, you're here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's happened to my new Whoa!
You what? Van?
Look out!
I'm gonna make my train. Oh! I mean whoa! My truck! Oh my God, my truck!
Hop in my truck.
No.
It has enough room. Look at. Come take a look.
Fix my.
Hey, come take a look.
I'm gonna fix it.
Come take a look.
Fix my.
It's cool to show you.
Okay, but my truck is kind of still stuck.
Hop out.
Well, I can't.
Hop out your truck.
Let me fix it. It's a noise. I can't. Okay. Ah!
I went full speed ahead.
Wow. Yo. What is up, Pog peeps? And we're gonna be like these teens. Today we're playing Trains versus Cars.
Hey, Anthony.
What is up, dude?
I have a new truck to show you.
I haven't joined the group, so I can't get.
No, you can't look. Okay.
Okay.
I'll bring it out.
What the heck? Never mind. This is not a Jeep. That's a. Whoa! Oh my God! It just got abducted.
Hello to my new bus.
It's a. But he has some Roblox country.
Look at the back.
I see.
It's an invisible train.
Whoa! It's a bus.
Did you see that?
Bus. Oh.
I saw a subway train fly off the track.
Okay.
Did you see that?
So this is pretty much.
Did you see that?
Yes, I sure did.
Whoa! Train coming.
Where is it?
Other side.
This side?
It disappeared. Trains and cars.
You make absolutely no sense. So pretty much the objective of this game is simple. Just crash trains into cars.
Yeah, but we're not going to crash my new bus.
I don't. You know what?
Oh, look! Subway train.
Ooh, look at it. Oh, what the heck? Din. Hey,
we're here! We're close!
Yeah, look. Hey, Daniel, how about you put your train Oh, okay. Hey, Daniel, I'll be right back, okay?
Hey, Anthony.
Park your train, this cool bus, on the train, okay?
On the train?
Yeah.
You park it. I'll make the train
I'll
come.
control it. Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
The train's here.
Wait, 1 second. Let me get
A
away.
police car came
Let me get out of here, okay? I'll tell you when.
The train's going to be taken.
Alright, cool, I guess. Oh, there we go. Ooh.
Hey, you took my truck.
Yes, I took it away. No.
Hey, park your car on the tracks. I have a prize for you.
No, gone. Why do I always make people? Why does it always feels like I'm gonna get abducted? But why? Oh no, I missed my train. That's gonna.
Dun.
Yes, come on, train. Oh, you had one job.
Oh, I got half of your train.
I can't like move this train as well. I mean like a flying.
Incoming! Flying train.
What? Flying train? That doesn't work.
What did I just see?
Is that a flying train?
Teleport to a train to see it.
Oh, okay. Let me just. Yes, come on. It's alright. Let me crash. Destroy Daniels. Let's destroy this. Oh! Woo! Wait. Just did a lot of damage to it. I straight up ripped off some of the glass. Okay, some people listen.
Hey, Anthony.
Okay.
Park my bus on the...
Hey,
Anthony, park my bus on the train track. I have a prize for you.
Okay. What's that prize?
Wait and see, okay?
Okay, it's a surprise.
Yep.
Oh, I'm pushing this limbo. Oh, I pushed someone's. It's I think. Oh, no, you couldn't get me, but you couldn't get me. What the heck? Oh my God, what is happening? Oh my God, what is happening? Okay, this is just a random train going off the tracks. Haha. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Flying train off the tracks!
Oh my God.
Look at my screen! Look at my screen!
Oh my god, he's off the tracks.
At least I'm still going.
Guess that's we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. We're going off the rails with this crazy train. This pose. Oh. Alright, so most of the time we are the train that but this time we're gonna be the train and we're gonna crash into some people, epic pog gamer moments. Okay, okay.
Indeed, are you?
Okay, where
Oh, hello!
let me see this. Oh, where is he? Oh, okay. We're crashing into a blue block. I see, okay. There's a rainbow go-kart. Epic gamer moments.
Oh, I fell over.
Oh, we're going fast. And, oh, wait. We were supposed to crash. Whee! Okay, we're gonna first. Hey, slow down. Oh, no. Oh! Alright, so that was a little disaster, but fortunately, we can try again. We can speed up and see if we can just have another normal ride slowly going on.
Yeah!
Wait, what the? No! Oh my god, oh. How did I survive? What the? Okay, I don't know why, but I randomly died. I think I misclicked the reset button. Yep, I did again. Alright, let's see Daniel's surprise. Okay, let's just run.
No, go off the tracks. Okay,
Alright,
go off the tracks.
Okay, get off the tracks. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! What is going on in there?
We're going on.